Let's dive into supervisor drift. It's the silent reason even your best trained teams become so inconsistent.
So, why do remote teams perform so differently, even after getting the exact same training?
The problem is supervisor drift. It's when leaders start managing by habit, not by the standards you set. And in remote settings, this drift happens way faster with fewer shared cues and greater autonomy.
It all starts with tiny, seemingly harmless differences in how each supervisor applies standards in coaching.
With slow feedback and low visibility, those small inconsistencies are allowed to grow completely unchecked. This creates what's called a reinforcement gap, the space between your standards and what leaders actually do. This gap is what allows small drifts to compound, creating huge performance issues across teams.
And this leads to culture dilution, where shared norms weaken and your company culture starts to fragment.
So how do you fix it? Legacy training relies on memory. A leadership execution system, an L.E.S, embeds reinforcement.
An L.E.S is a system that builds your standards and feedback directly into a leader's daily workflow. It prevents drift by embedding daily cues, automating feedback loops, and aligning recognition to your standards.
The whole system makes consistent leadership the path of least resistance for every single supervisor.
And the results are clear, with measurable gains in your consistency index, engagement signals, and culture health.
For the full model, check out the explainer on why remote cultures break down and how an L.E.S restores alignment.
This research brief is drawn from a guide on overcoming remote culture challenges.
DOI 10.5281 Xenodo 1 7394116. DOI 10.5281 Xenodo 1 742-55666.
ORCID 000009-0004-6525-5634.
Published by the Leadership Execution Institute, 2025. Implementation available through Call Center Coach.